In this episode of Dynamic Tech Tips, we're going to be talking about our quick disconnect motor used on our DynaCon conveyor line. My name is Paul Kaharvitz, and today we're here with Matt Zayer, our engineering manager. Matt, today I'd like you to shed some light on a product feature that some of our end users might not even be aware of, and that's the quick disconnect between the motor and the cable. Could you show us where it is, why people would want to use it, and some of the benefits?
Sure, Paul. It's the cable that connects the motor up here to the motor driver and the control box. It's available in different lengths between 2 feet and 65 feet, and is IP66 rated, so it can be used in washdown applications.
Okay. So in other words, if we want to swap out this motor, just walk us through how quick that could go, how easy it is.
Sure. All you do is disconnect the cable, remove these 4 bolts, pull the old motor off, put the new one on, and reconnect.
Now in the case of, let's think of it at the other end of the cable. Let's say we go from our standard control, just a variable speed on, off, forward, reverse, and we want to go to a more user-specified control, indexing, reversing, positioning. Why don't we demonstrate to our viewers how easy that would be?
Sure. All you do is disconnect the motor, pull the box off at the dovetail connection, you slide the new one on, and then you just reconnect the cable.
Thank you, Matt, and thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and share this video. If you have any questions at all concerning this video, contact us directly at Dynamic Conveyor Corporation. Thank you.